from Miami to Vegas. Get ready. Get it! Yeah, nigga. See what's going on? Oh, straight from the road, straight to the people. 2021. Lil Pump 2's on the way. Pull up. Weed on my lip. I can feel my body. I can feel my body. I got too much money. Hello. We on Lil Pump Justice Airline and we'll be landing in 1 hour. I repeat, we'll be landing in 1 hour. Get it. Look, go eat it.
Wow. Got chicken all over his fucking money.
I don't even drink no liquor. Oh, Cody. Bitch.
Alright, you ready? Cheers to Pump's birthday.
Get it! Yes, sir,
Cheers.
skis.
Cheers.
Oh, there's a whole lot of money that's on the floor. Cheers.
Alright. To the best year yet. Let's go.
21.
Bro, you spilled your whole shot.
Oh, watch out. Get out. Move.
I can't, don't worry.
Hey, you thinking it's a fire? Oh my god, Hey, Pup thought you was on fire, cuz.
Alright, another round of shots.
On me at all. My mom tells me number one rule: Little Pump Jesse, do not leave your house without $100,000. Guess what? I was gonna go to the strip club yesterday at Tootsie's, but I ain't gonna pay for no bitches rent. I'm gonna go buy me a new chain. Guess what? I was gonna throw all these hundreds, these whole money bands at Tootsie's. So now I'm gonna go to my jeweler and drop a chain. So guess who lost? They did. Ah!
Hey, this ain't nothing special. This is damn Post Playhouse.
Post Playhouse. We moved from a house to a jet.
Everyday thing. Go to Vegas, we put it on black.
Oh, we out.
Exactly. I wasn't even thinking. Now I'm 21, I can put a stripper pole in the middle of a private jet. I might just do it.
This is probably going to Chrome.
Alright, let's go.
Oh no.
Back,
You see all this money right here?
I was in the house, somebody sent me 20 band.
Real Florida boy shit, man. Spread. All the way. All the way. All the way. And then you go right back slowly. Watch out. You dig? Lil Pump 2's on the way, and it's my 21st birthday. Let's get it! And some music.
Did I tell y'all about him?
Alright. Let it begin. Hey, yeah, bro, we gotta play that song. Hey, yo, who's on the aux? Birthday. Get it. I'm legal enough to buy backwoods, grabber. I could go buy cigarettes. I don't smoke cigarettes, smoke grabber leaves. I'm old enough to go to Tootsie's now, but I ain't finna go to Tootsie's. Public service announcement. The plane has arrived. The plane has arrived. Get it. Bro, yeah. Like 2 years ago, or like 3 years, I got this billboard that said I got 1 billion plays, but it had an ugly artwork. So you know what I did with it? I grabbed it off of shrooms and I smashed that 4 or 5 times. 1 billion streams? That's what I got on my Gucci Gang video, man. No billion streams.
Alright, welcome to Vegas.
Yes, Sirski, we are here. I appreciate everybody.
Awesome.
Let's go! Get it! Vegas, we have arrived. Get it!
Yes, sir. Landed in Vegas, we about to fuck it up for 7 days.
That'd be a movie.